In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is trace the height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. The first set, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. First, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. While increase is done, increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. 1 single crochet and 1 increase are finished. There are 3 V shapes on the side. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase. First, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Three sets are done. Skip these 2 small V shapes formed by the snip stitch and the chain stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn onto the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the wrenching loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into number of stitches. Round 3 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. Cut off this short yarn tail. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 9 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is twice the height and will not be counted into number of stitches. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 9 single crochets in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work 8 more single crochets in the same way. Nine single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as collection. It's not counted into number of stitches. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. One single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet are finished. There are 4 V shapes on the side. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. Three sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's consistent tightness during crocheting. In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 12 single crochets in this round. Twelve single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 6 is done.